But the big breaking news that's coming in at the moment, Mansukh Hiren, the owner of the explosive-laden vehicle found outside Mukesh Ambani's house, has been found dead. Police have claimed that Hiren died by suicide. His body was found in the Kalwa Creek in Thane near Mumbai. 5 handkerchiefs have now been found in Hiren's mouth. Hiren's family have rejected the police's suicide theory. The family claims the last known location of Hiren was Virar, also a distant suburb of Mumbai and quite far from Thane, where his body was eventually found. The Maharashtra government, under pressure, has now handed the probe to the Anti Terrorism Squad. The BJP is seeking an NIA investigation into the matter. Former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is saying that the Mumbai police is to be under the scanner and that Mansukh Hiren should have been given protection.
Mansukh Hiren की बॉडी आज सुबह थाना में मिल चुकी है मुंब्रा में. उसकी पूरी जांच चालू है. बॉडी का पोस्टमार्टम करके उसके डेथ की वजह क्या है सब डिटेल मालूम पड़ेगा. पूरी टीम एक टेक्निकल टीम उसका पोस्टमार्टम करेगी और ये पूरे जांच की जवाबदारी हमने एटीएस को दी है.
मैंने हाउस में जिस समय एनआईए को ये हैंडओवर किया जाए ऐसी मांग की, उस समय मैंने ये आशंका जाहिर की कि ये जो मनसुख हिरेन है, ये मनसुख हिरेन को तुरंत सुरक्षा प्रदान की जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये इसमें की सबसे बड़ी कड़ी है और इनकी जान को खतरा हो सकता है. और अभी पता चला है कि आज अभी कुछ समय पहले उनकी डेड बॉडी मिली है. मुंब्रा के एरिया में ये डेड बॉडी मिली है. इससे ये पूरा प्रकरण बहुत ज्यादा फिशी हो रहा है.
Okay, let's go across for the very latest. Saurabh Vakhtania, who's been tracking this case from the crime branch, is in Mumbai. Also, Vidya, our correspondent, is live from Mansukh Hiren's residence in Mumbai. Vidya, to you first. Now we are told that some handkerchiefs have been found with the body. How does that fit with the suicide theory? If handkerchiefs were found inside his mouth, what is the family saying? Are they insisting that there is foul play? Are they willing to accept the suicide theory at all?
They have been saying they are saddened by the fact that this entire suicide theory has been propagated even before the autopsy was really done. In fact, they have been saying that this is a case of murder and it needs to be investigated that way. In fact, the wife of Hiren Mansukh, she just came, Vimla ji, she spoke to the media and she had been unconscious for the last 2.5 hours. She gained consciousness. She came here. She's not been feeling well, and in spite of the fact that she narrated what had really happened yesterday, last night around 8:30. She said that, Hiren Mansukh told her that he was going to meet a police officer. It was a police officer from Kandivali crime branch. His name was Tavde. And he had asked him to meet around Ghodbandar Road, is what she has said. And she specifically said that, they tried to track him down after that. But the moment he left home, his phone, switched off. He could not be tracked down. The entire family tried to contact the neighbors, the relatives. They could not get in touch with any of them. And finally, they went to the Naupada Police station, which refused to register their missing complaint immediately. It was only by 2 in the afternoon that the missing complaint was registered. The family clearly saying that there is foul play and it should be investigated.
Saurabh Vakhtania, here is the man whose car is found with explosive outside Mukesh Ambani's house. Devendra Fadnavis says he had asked for Mansukh Hiren to be given protection. What is the police's claim? What is the police saying to all the charges now that the family is making, that the leader of the opposition is making?
Well, Rajdeep, first of all, in this whole case, what the sources are telling us that Mansukh cannot drown because they claim that he was an excellent swimmer. In fact, he used to train kids in his building that he used to train them swimming. Now, when we spoke to the senior police officials in the Mumbai police, they have ordered an high-level inquiry. Now, like what Vidya was saying, that Kandivali Crime Branch 11, that is the 11 unit of crime branch, the officers were called in today. Parambir Singh himself had a high-level meeting. Inquiries initiated, but no one is speaking on record. While we spoke to Sachin Waze, who is the man in question, he clearly told us, yes, he knew Mansukh Hiren, but he only knew because they are both resident of Thane. So he says that on some of the few occasions, he met Mansukh Hiren, but prior to this particular incident, he was not in contact with him. Now, when we spoke to him that CDR has been placed in the Vidhan Bhavan, he clearly said that Mr. Fadnavis can only answer, but I was not in touch with him. I never met him. So these are very two different things which are coming up in this whole
Is the police denying that in the last? Is the police denying?
Mumbai police.
Is the police denying that in the last week they have been in contact with Mansukh Hiren and they were putting pressure on him as is being alleged? Are they denying that completely?
See, in this particular case, Sachin Waze is saying that I never met him, I was not in contact with him. But on contrary, what he claims that there were some other police official. Now, who were the particular official, he is not naming, but there were some police officials and some reporters who were in contact with Mansukh Hiren and they were harassing him. So what Mansukh Hiren had done, he filed a written complaint with Mumbai Police Commissioner and Thane Police Commissioner. He said that this needs to be investigated. But even if he's saying that there are some police officials and other people are in concern should be questioned, the role of Sachin Waze is still very questionable, and that's what Mumbai Police now will be investigating. As I said, that an inquiry has been initiated. All the CDR records, all the CCTV footage from the spot will be checked once again to ascertain this whole case, that who all are actually involved in this case. Whether or not actually Mansukh Hiren got a call from crime branch, because
okay, let's leave it there because you've given us plenty of details. All of this, of course, is in the realm of speculation at the moment. The police has a very different version to what the family is providing, but there is a lot of suspicion over the death of Mansukh Hiren, and this is a story that we will keep tracking. Remember, this is a story at the heart of what is emerging as a political controversy also now in Maharashtra. Thank you both very much for joining me here on that big breaking story.